we're going to take a look at the first of our conic sections, which is going to be the circle. So we're going to look at the circle in standard form, define a couple things, and do 3 examples. And then we're going to move on to ellipses. This is actually from a flip book. I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the comments, so in case anybody sees this and wants to access this. Okay, so circles, when we look at the equation for circles, the standard form is very simple. It's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So a couple things that we get from this. This, of course, is the center of our circle. And then our radius is from the circle to all points that are surrounding the circle. Our center can be found by taking the coordinate h, k. So notice we have a minus sign here. So if I see x minus 3, that 3 is actually h. If I see x plus 3, that means I have a negative 3 that's in here. So if you will, go ahead and flip the sign. That's really what we're doing. All right, let's take a look at this first one. We are going to look at, here we already have the plus symbol, right? So we want to go ahead and flip those. So my center is going to be located at -2, -3. So at -2, -3, I'm going to go ahead and put a dot. And then this is my r squared. So if r squared equals 36, then r is going to be the square root of that, which is equal to 6. So what I'm going to do is count over, up, and down 6 to make my framework for my circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And from here, again, do your best to draw a circle. Sometimes it's really, really hard to try to draw it freehand, and it looks almost like a lopsided marshmallow sometimes, but at least you get the idea. Okay, and then our radius is 6. All right, let's look at 2 more examples. Here we have x with nothing shifted, so that's just going to be a 0. And then here we have -1, so that gives us a 1 for our center. So 0, 1, so my center is going to be right there. And then 64, r squared equals 64. R is going to equal the square root of 64, which is 8. So my radius is 8, and I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oop, I missed it by 1. There we go. And then we should have right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. And again, do your best to draw it as well as you can. Okay, the idea is that we just don't want you to draw like a diamond, right? You want to get as close to a circle as you can. All right, and then this last one, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can do this one on your own, and then we'll check it together. Oh, let's take a look. My center, that's -4, so that's going to be a 4 on my x, and +7 is going to be a -7 on my y. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my center is right there. And then r squared equals 9. So r is equal to the square root of 9, which is equal to 3. So I have a radius of 3 on each side. And these smaller ones are a little bit easier to draw, but still are a little bit wonky. But okay, so that is our circles. And go ahead and enjoy the practice that I have for you so that you can get some more practice in.